All right, today I have a Whirlpool dishwasher, and I'm going to show you how to cancel and drain a cycle. Say for instance, sometimes you load the dishes in there and you make the selection and you want to cancel it to do another selection or just cancel the wash all together. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have everything loaded. I have the pot in there, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go ahead and select a cycle. All right, just do heavy and all this right here, and then I go ahead and start. All right, and I go ahead and start the cycle, and then I shut it. But then I'm like, hey, I want to change the type of cycle. I don't want a heavy. I just want a 1 hour wash. All right, but in order to get to that 1 hour wash, you're going to have to cancel. You're going to have to cancel the wash, and you're going to do that by coming over here, and you see where it says start and resume. It says to cancel, drain, hold for 3 seconds. All right, now this is a process and you want to stick with me through this, okay, because you're going to learn a little bit with this. Actually, you're going to learn a lot. All right, so I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go to the start resume button, press it and hold it for 3 seconds, and you see it counts down. All right, so it did that, and so it canceled the wash. I can go ahead and make a selection again. Actually, I can't because I have to drain it. So it's a 2 second drain. So I come over here and I'm going to have to hold this one more time. All right, and watch this. Hold it, and it counts to down 3 more seconds, and it finally cancels the entire wash, and it will drain the dishwasher if there's water at the bottom. Let me know if you have any question. I hope this video was helpful.